Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a traditional crispy sweet called chonge with its beautiful flaky layers, golden texture and sweet sugar syrup coating. This classic homemade treat is perfect for festival, family gathering or evening tea. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon milk powder. Now add 1 tablespoon semolina or suji. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix everything well until the ghee is evenly combined with the flour. Gradually pour in 110 ml water. Mix and knead until you get a soft and smooth dough. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now take the rested dough. Roll the dough. Brush a layer of ghee over the surface. Sprinkle some flour on top. Now cut the dough into long strips. Roll and fold the strips together just as shown to create beautiful layers. Keep them aside for another 10 minutes. After resting, gently roll the dough. Heat oil over medium heat. Carefully place the chonge onto the hot oil. Fry until it becomes golden brown, crispy and beautifully layered. Remove and drain the excess oil. Make sugar syrup with half cup sugar and 1 cup water. Boil for 5 minutes. Keep aside. Dip the crispy chonge into sugar syrup and finish with your favorite dry fruits. Your homemade traditional chonge is ready, golden flaky crispy and lightly coated with sweet syrup. It's a timeless dessert that's always a pleasure to share with family and friends. Enjoy the classic homemade delight with a warm cup of tea. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more classic dessert, festive recipes and easy homemade baking ideas.